Welcome to Mass Physics, Episode 2, where the physics is theoretical but the fun is real. Force. We hear the usage of this term many times in our day to day life, but we might not know when we're using it. Force is used when we're riding a bicycle, or maybe lifting an object, and my favorite, when we're dragging a trolley in a supermarket. These are the few of the most common examples that we use. But what is force? Suppose this player here wants to pass the ball to his teammate who is standing on the other side. How will he do that? He needs to make the ball move in the direction of his teammate. So he will kick the ball in that direction. When he kicks the ball in that direction, we say that applied a force on the ball. Kick is nothing but a force applied on the ball. This is a person who wants to move the patient in hospital from point A to point B. Here he will push the wheelchair towards B. The push here is the force that the person applied on the wheelchair. He drags the wheelchair, so the drag is the force applied here. Similarly, we lift or pick things up. When we lift something up, we say that we applied a force on that object. Here, lifting is the form of force applied. These are the very three common examples that we use, and there are many other actions and examples that can be performed using force. We can describe all these actions under two actions, namely that is pushing and pulling. When we're lifting something up, we're basically pulling it towards us. Similarly, to open a drawer, we're pulling the knob to draw it out. Passing a ball while playing football and using a hammer to hit on nails are examples of pushing. Well, are there any actions that we can describe under both? Yes, there are. Opening a door requires a push, while closing a door requires a pull. This is where we're using both. So we can safely say at this point that forces are nothing but the push and pull applied on objects due to interaction between bodies and objects. Let's go back to our first example. Here, in order to pass the ball, the boy must move it. That is why he must interact with the ball, and he interacts with the ball by kicking it. Now, since we're clear with the basic understanding of what force is, let me just put it into a definition. Force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from an object's interaction with another object. This was it. Until next time at Mass Physics.